Wagwan everybody, and welcome back to the Flower House JA. Today we're making a true Jamaican classic, Easter bun. Now, if you're not from Jamaica, Easter bun is a rich, spiced, slightly sweet loaf packed with fruits and flavor. And trust me, it's a must-have this time of year. You'll find it in just about every Jamaican household during Easter, usually paired with some good tasty cheese. A real tradition. But listen, instead of heading to the store this year, why not make your own from scratch? It's easier than you think, and it tastes way better. So if you're ready to learn, grab your mixing bowl, come closer and follow me. Let's get baking. We are going to start with combining our dry ingredients. So to a mixing bowl, we are going to add 3 cups of flour. Here you can see I was a bit messy and I accidentally spilled some flour, but everything airy, as the Jamaicans would say. We are going to follow that up with 4 teaspoons of baking powder, which is one of our rising agents. And we're just going to follow that up with half a teaspoon of baking soda, which is also a rising agent. Time for our spices, which is the best part. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon to give it that warm, cozy, nice feeling that we all love. Here you can see I am scraping that bowl because I really want to get all of that cinnamon goodness. We are going to follow that up with 2 teaspoons of allspice mix. Now this has in pretty much every spice that you could think of, you know, little clove, little nutmeg, some cinnamon. So it's just to make sure that our bun has that extra spice for that warmth flavor. And of course we can't have too much spice, so we're also going to add in 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Next we are going to add a half a teaspoon of salt to really bring out the flavor. And we are also going to add a half a cup of brown sugar for that sweetness, because we want our Easter bun to really be nice and sweet and yummy and just so rich. Now that we have all of our dry ingredients, we are just going to mix that up real good. So here you can see I'm just folding in everything, and you should smell my kitchen right now. The spices are just hitting my nose. Everything smells so good. It honestly smells like it's fall. I don't know. I mean, the kitchen, if you could smell the kitchen, I'm sure if you're baking this now, your kitchen is smelling just as good as my kitchen is. We are going to put our dry ingredients to the side and start working on our wet ingredients. To a mixing bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of Malta, which will really help to give our bun that nice deep flavor and also color that we're looking for. Here you can see it says Jamaican Original, and if we look at the color, it's nice and dark, which is what we want our Easter bun to look like. You can just pour it into your mixing bowl, and you can also use Dragon Stout as a substitute if you can't find Malta. We are going to follow that up with a tablespoon of vanilla to really add some more flavor and richness to our spiced bun. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rose and almond extract. Here you can see I'm using the one from Newhall, and this will also help to boost our bun with all of that flavor. We are going to follow that up with a tablespoon of molasses. Now, if a Jamaican has ever told you that you're thick like molasses, this is what they mean. Look at how thick that molasses is, to the point where I had to get a spoon to really just scoop some of that out because it was really thick and just would not leave the container. So you're just going to give that a nice little scrape. We are also going to add a tablespoon of browning to help with the color of our bun, because it is a spiced bun, so we want it to have that nice rich brown color. That is what we are really looking for with this spiced bun. We'll follow that up with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Now we're going to add in 2 large eggs to the mixture. We are just going to give that a good little mix. Make sure that you break up those egg yolks and just really mix until everything is nice and combined like this. we are gonna set our wet ingredients to the side and we are gonna go back for our dry ingredients. And now we are just going to combine the two of them. And trust me, at this point, if your kitchen is not smelling oh so good with all of the spices and the different flavors that we've added, then at this point it surely will. Here you can see I am just mixing all of that dry and wet ingredients together, making sure to get out any clumps that I see. And oh my gosh, my kitchen smells so amazing. It truly is a spiced bun. I'm going to add in just a 1/4 cup of milk because I realized that the batter was looking a bit too thick. This is the consistency that you want your batter to have. Now we are going to move on to our dried fruits. I'm using about 7 to 8 maraschino cherries here. This is just a personal preference of mine, so I'm just going to chop that up real good, and then I'm just going to add that to our batter to make sure that we have our blended fruits, which are an essential part of a Jamaican Easter bun. I'm also going to add in a 1/4 cup of raisins. Now if you do not like raisins or you want to add some more fruits like prunes, you can add that in as well. Just make sure that you break up your raisins so that they are not in clumps when you put them into the batter. You can see that I'm doing that here. We are just going to give that a nice little fold to make that bite even more good, because when you bite into it you will taste those fruits and it will just be so good. Add that to a loaf pan and we're just going to make sure everything is nice and even. This is what our bun is looking like at this point in time. Now we want to dress it up a bit because we Jamaicans, we're not playing with anything. So we're going to dress it up a bit, add a bit of raisins to the top so that when our bun rises, those raisins on top give it that nice finish. I'm also going to add a few maraschino cherries to the top. You can decorate the top of your bun any way you like, but this is what mine is looking like. As you can see, that nice, really rich brown texture that we are looking for. We are going to place this into the oven for 350 degrees at about an hour until our bun just really rises up and is looking oh so good and nice. So stay tuned for what it looks like. This is our Easter bun fresh out the oven. I'm just adding a tablespoon of honey to really give it that glaze. If you don't have honey, you can also use guava jam. That will help as well. Just mix it with a little water. We're just going to cut into our bun so that you can see just how good this is looking. Look at the color, look at all the dried fruits in there, which will give it that really good bite, and it's still just really nice and soft and just moist and oh so good. No need to go to the supermarket. You can make it at home. Of course, a Jamaican bun would not be complete without some tasty cheese. I mean, you can have your bun with butter, but us Jamaicans, we use tasty cheese. This is a new packaging that Tasty has actually come out with. I mean, our Jamaicans, we know that we're used to the tin where you would cut yourself on that tin, but they've made it a bit more safer so you can easily take the cheese in and out without it really cutting yourself. My cheese is still looking chamba chamba, as Jamaicans would say. That just means that it didn't come out nice and smooth despite the new packaging, but that is how we know it's authentic. So we're just going to add in some cheese to our bun. There you have it. It's just a classic Jamaican bun and cheese, a nice rich spiced bun that pairs oh so good with some cheese. I mean, if you like this recipe, go ahead and subscribe to the Flower House JA, and if you want to see more Jamaican recipes as well, you can always subscribe and let me know in the comment section what dish you want to see me prepare next from Jamaica. I know Jamaica is really known for pastries like gizzada and stuff like that. So I mean, if you want to see anything else Jamaican, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will make that for you. So thank you again for tuning in to the Flower House JA. Happy Easter and stay tuned for the next video.